When two close friends finally explode after holding in anger for too long? That is exactly what happens in Act 4, Scene 3. But here, the argument could decide the fate of Rome. So in Act 4, Scene 2, we moved to Brutus and Cassius's military camp. Tension rises between the two friends and fellow conspirators as they prepare to fight Antony and Octavius. Cassius feels disrespected and Brutus accuses him of corruption. Their friendship is shaken and that conflict continues right into Scene 3. So the entire scene takes place inside Brutus's tent at Sardis, where Brutus and Cassius finally let their anger out in private heated argument. What was the argument? The Cassius accuses Brutus of doing wrong to him by blaming one of his officers for taking bribes. So Brutus replies that Cassius himself is greedy and says that they killed Caesar for justice, not to become corrupt. Fight grows intense. Cassius feels deeply hurt and claims that Brutus no longer loves or trusts him. At one point, Cassius even offers his dagger, telling Brutus to kill him if he truly believes he is dishonest. So moved, Brutus calms down. They reconcile and forgive each other. So after the argument, Brutus confesses that his wife Portia has committed suicide by swallowing hot coals. So Cassius is shocked, but Brutus, what does he do? He suppresses his grief, showing his cold, disciplined nature as a leader. Then the messengers, what do? They arrive, reporting that Antony and Octavius have executed several senators in Rome. Brutus and Cassius debate battle strategy. So Cassius wants to wait for the enemy to approach, but Brutus insists they should march to Philippi and meet them first. Brutus wins the argument, and as night falls, their bond is restored, but the tension of fate hangs over them. So after Cassius leaves, Brutus tries to sleep. Suddenly, the ghost of Julius Caesar appears and tells him, "Thou shalt see me at Philippi." So Brutus is shaken, but he is brave. Why the scene matters is that it is emotional heart of the play. Friendship, guilt, and fate, they collide. We see Brutus's inner conflict, his patient control versus his buried pain. The appearance of Caesar's ghost symbolizes guilt and foreshadowing. So it is also a reminder that Caesar's death, it still haunts Rome. Scene ends by setting up the final act, the Battle of Philippi, where everything that began with Caesar's murder will come full circle. Stay tuned to know about what happened next in my next video. Like and subscribe to my channel, Beauty of Language, for more updates.